Hello folks, back here at Thunder Valley CB Shop. You got the Wolfman. Look what we finally got in. Striker 955s, man, booming radio. And they got echo, talkback, Roger beep. They got speech compression in them. These are nice radios. They have FM, AM, upper and lower sideband. These are really cool radios. And as you can see, they change colors. And I got one left after all we got in today. And I've got the Connex 36, I've got the Connex 3400, and I got a couple Cobras down there, a few more Connexes, and our dual camera system, the HD, the Drive HD, is on sale. And don't forget, guys, we still have my son's painting here for sale. Little camp scene there with a campfire and a tent and stuff. It's pretty cool. He did a good job. And look, we finally got some antennas in. We got some Vipers. We got some Predators, actually. Finally got Predators in. We still have our Black Widows here. Alright folks, thank you all for watching. Please go to my YouTube page and subscribe to get all the pricing. Thank you all for watching. God bless.